Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today is Tuesday. It's quick and easy day, but it's also another exciting day. Stampin' Up's new annual catalog goes live today, or it has gone live. And you can order from that catalog now. For those of you who are my regular customers, you should have gotten a catalog by now. If you haven't, just send me an email and I will check and see what happened, because I usually send them to my regular customers through Stampin' Up and they mail them out for me. If you are not a customer of mine and you would like a catalog and you don't have your own demonstrator to order from, I would be happy to send you one. And there is a request catalog on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. It's at the very top. So these are 4 of the 5 new in colors that we have, and I wanted to share those because I haven't shared them all, I don't think yet. I think I just showed the stamp sets, and we weren't able to get the last one. We always have 5 new in colors, but I think that we can order them today. I probably already placed my order because I like to do that first thing in the morning, and this is not posting till later in the afternoon. So I am sharing this little quick and easy treat holder. All of these I did the same except for this one, which is called Secret Sea, and it's like a navy. So it is different than our Night of Navy. It's lighter, but it's a different color. And it's also different than Misty Moonlight, so if you're wanting to compare. But I embossed this one with white emboss, and I thought that looks so cute too. Can you not see these on like a Mother's Day table, or just to give like your aunts, sisters, all your lady friends for Mother's Day? Or I mean, it could be used for anything, a birthday, whatever, because it says it's a wonderful day to celebrate you. I'm going to show you the bundle really quick. So it is called Paper Tags. This is it. I actually did, we have the die for this as well, but I like the little scalloped one, so I wanted to use that one first. But I'll show you all these dies that come with it. So these are all the dies. And they cut out all these images, like they'll cut out this, and then this one is for that. And I love the sentiments fit on here perfectly. This is the other one that comes with it. And this is the one that I'm sharing today. I love this little like ruffle around it, the edge. And these little daisies come from the Link Together. If you saw my project on Sunday, I used these flowers on it. So I'm also using the dies from the Link Together bundle. So it's really quick and easy to do. You can fit a small gift like a necklace, a bracelet, anything like that in it. Or you can add some sweet treats, your mom's favorite sweet treats, or anything in this, because it's so darn cute. And it would be really cute, like party favor or anything like that, just to give to your friends at work, anything. And the sentiments are so cute. I don't know if you noticed the sentiments. This says, "You are so very kind, just for you, happiness enclosed, consider this a paper hug." And then this is the one I used, "It's a wonderful day to celebrate you." And then this one is, the whole stamp will stamp out this, and it says, "May your day be filled with sunshine and laughter." So this is an online exclusive, by the way. Along with our new annual catalog, there's a bunch of new online exclusives. If you want to search online exclusive, just put in my shop, just go and put in online exclusives and they will come up for you. And you can order online those products. And I always link everything I use in my videos. So if you want any of those, you can check underneath my video post or on my blog. I always link the supplies. All right, let's get started with this. It's really easy, but aren't these really pretty? I love these. Let me tell you the colors, because I don't think I mentioned the colors. Cloud Cover is the one that we haven't gotten yet, but this one is Darling Duckling. I have the inks right here. This one's Strawberry Slush, which is a returning favorite. This is Timid Tiger, and then Secret Sea. So those are all the colors that we have. All right, let's put these up here and let's get started. I cut out 2 of those little tags, and that's what we're going to use for this. And then the other piece that you need is one piece is by 6 3/4 by 2. We're going to score this in just a minute, but let's go ahead and stamp the front. You can stamp the front and back. I'm just going to stamp the front because I don't think it's necessary on this one to stamp the back. So we are going to stamp just one of these. It's a wonderful day to celebrate you. I think that's so pretty. And this is the Timid Tiger that I'm using on this one. All right, I'm going to grab my Simply Scored. And I already cut 2 of the daisies out, and I'm using just white daisies. Okay, on this one, we are just going to score it at 1/2 inch. And 1 1/2. So it's 1/2 on each side. And then on this side, you're going to do it at 2 1/2. And then 4 1/4. Or 2 1/2 on each side. Okay, that is it, y'all. These are really, really easy and quick to make, which I really love. When you need to make a bunch, I always go for quick and easy. If you're making a few, I love the more detailed ones. I actually really love doing the more detailed ones, but like when you need a lot of something, it's really good to have something quick and easy. All right, I'm going to use my seal here. By the way, these little hearts come out from the inside of this, and I'm saving them all. I have a bunch of colors. I'm saving them for like confetti or to put in a shaker. So I think that is such a good idea for that. All right, so on this middle part right here, on these 4 corners right here, we're just going to put a little bit. You can put wet glue or you can use your Seal Plus. This is just to hold together, and it makes it so much easier to put this together. So we're going to do these and line up that straight line to the bottom. This is what makes it nice and straight. And then just do these right here. And then I'm going to use wet glue to put it on. I'm going to just turn this one over that we stamped. I'm going to add my wet glue. I don't have this perfectly straight because I could tell that that wasn't perfectly straight. You can see how nice and straight that is when you line it up. And then just put this down on the bottom here. Make sure it's even, like both sides. I kind of just guesstimate, but I look to make sure the sides look even here. Grab my trusty bone folder. I love this edge for this because it works so good to smooth these down. If you haven't gotten this one with the edge like that, I have it linked in the description. You're missing out on a really nice bone folder. It took me forever to figure out that one, but I should do a list of all my favorite things because that is definitely one of my favorite. All right, and then we're going to put this one on and flip it over. And make sure I've got it pretty even on both sides. Use my little bone folder again. There's my little Bella saying hello to you again. You know, every time I get a video, she's got to bark. If she hears any of our neighbors' dogs, we have a neighbor who has a dog next door, and then the next house they have a dog, and 2 houses on the other side of us have dogs. So if she hears another dog barking, she will start barking. All right, I have a little scrap here of the Timid Tiger, and I'm just going to punch out 2 with a regular hole punch, and we're going to use that for the center of our flower. Just like that. You can make these super quick and easy, y'all. And then I'm using this basic white ribbon, and this one is the what is it? It just says ribbon. It doesn't give what kind it is, but it's different. I don't. Usually it tells you what kind it is. Oh, it says polyester, but I don't know. I also like to just squeeze these together like that, and then we're going to just tie a ribbon on the side. I'm going to cut my ribbon. If you're going to do these for like a classroom or something like that, you can leave off the flowers and the ribbon and make it really super quick. But I really, really love the ribbon and the flowers on it. You know, I always have to add something to it. All right, so we're going to cut this off. And then this one as well. And that's it. Look how sweet that is. Aren't these adorable? I love all the colors, and I thought, oh, I have to make all the colors because they were so fun and so easy and quick to do. I couldn't help myself, y'all. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. And I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.